Hey everyone, Victoria from Enchanted Memories Travel, and I wanted to talk to you about the Memory Maker, what it is and why you might be interested in it on your next trip to Walt Disney World. So, the Memory Maker is the compilation of all the photos that you'll get while you are at Walt Disney World and able to take with you home electronically. So, if you are familiar with the whole concept of walking into the zoo or an amusement park or something where they say smile for a picture, usually you say no because you know that photo is going to be, $10, $15 to print out and you're good. You don't need a $10, $15 photo. Well, when you're at Walt Disney World, there are plenty of opportunities for photos. So it's not like you're just getting one, two, three, four. There's possibilities for you to get photos in a lot of locations while you're at Disney. So the reason why you might be interested in the Memory Maker is one, so every single photo has all family members in it, not just one parent and the kids. Two, so you don't have to worry about asking other people to take your photo all the time. Three, you don't have to worry about bringing your phone out if you don't want to, or even bringing your phone. Well, you do need your phone at Walt Disney World, but maybe you can have it, tucked away in a diaper bag or something until you truly need it. And four, it's nice to have somebody with maybe a better eye than you with a photo, with a camera taking the photos. And then you get all of your ride photos too, which you would have to purchase additionally, which can have some really cute moments. So the package is $169. I know that's kind of steep, especially if you're going for a shorter amount of time. So if you are just going for a day or two, I would ask that you think about what you're going to be doing while you're there. If you don't think you're going to be meeting a lot of characters or you're going to be riding a lot of coasters, you might not get your use out of it. So if you're going that direction, you really don't think you're going to be meeting a lot of characters, or doing rides that would have the photo opportunity, so actual coaster type things, I would say probably not. But if you're going to be there for more than a few days and you are going to be meeting characters, so going to meet Alice, going to meet Belle, going to meet, the Beast. If you're going to be going to restaurants, sit-down restaurants, I can absolutely share with you which ones will have a photo opportunity outside. Usually in the entrance or the foyer of the restaurant, there's an opportunity to meet one of the characters or a specific person, or maybe there's a logo that's in there. So like Chef Mickey's, there's a statue that you can take a picture with, for example. But some of the restaurants, there are opportunities like that for photos. So if you're going to be experiencing those types of things, as well as simply just walking around any of the parks, you're going to see people that have beige little vests on, and they will have a nice camera. Their job is to take your photo. So you'll see them obviously in front of the castle. You'll see them in front of the Statue of Life in Animal Kingdom, the big ball at Epcot, whatever. So you literally just walk up to them and you either wait in line. If it's an iconic spot, there might be a few people in front of you. Just wait. It's not a big deal. Or you just walk up and say, hi, will you take our photo? And they absolutely will. They'll take your picture. They'll do a few little ones. If you ask for a magic shot, they might put like Tinkerbell in there or do something kind of fun to your picture. And then when they're done, they're going to take a little phone kind of thing and scan your magic band. And boom, those photos just went straight to your magic band. So this is when you see any kind of person that's just taking photos of you in a certain location. Anytime you go to meet a character, so if you stand in line to meet Merida, if you stand in line to meet Aladdin and Jasmine, whatever it might be, then you can, while you are interacting with that character and meeting that character, so all of the parents, the kids can all get involved in that meet and greet, then the photographer is capturing photos the entire way. And I do want to preface that you can absolutely give the photographer your phone. They will do it. They're probably annoyed doing it. They're probably annoyed taking pictures the whole time, let's be honest. But they won't mind. They'll take your phone and they'll do it. But they'll also do it with their professional camera if you would rather them do that, and that's what I would rather them do. So they'll do it in a meet and greet, and then if you go to a ride, any type of ride that would have it, so it's usually a thrill ride. So the Tower of Terror, the Slinky Dog Dash, the Mine Train, whatever it might be, then you can have a photo taken of you while you're on the ride. And sometimes they're super, super cute, especially if your expression of your little one, if they're not expecting it or they're super excited. So you get the photo from your ride. And the crazy thing is the magic bands, kind of creepy too, but the magic bands always know where you're at. And so it knows that you're in that car seat, you're in that ride, and it takes your photo, and then it goes to your magic band. You don't have to do anything special for it. So that's the nice thing about the photos, and then you get them and you can keep them. So I'm going to show you what it looks like and what you would have access to. You can have access, honestly, within maybe like 5 minutes of getting your photo taken on your app, on your My Disney Experience app that you will have. You can have access to it then, and you can download it straight to your phone and share with your friends if you want, or you can save them to your computer. So this is my, it's just the Disney World website, and I come over here to My Disney Experience, and I'm going to come down to My Photos. Maybe. Like I said, if you want to give them your phone, they'll absolutely take the photo. If you want other people to take it that don't work there, you can obviously do that. But it's kind of nice having everything in one spot, easy to download, etc. And I've been obviously multiple times to Disney, and so it keeps all of them together on my Disney Experience account, so I can have access to go back to all of my different photos that we have taken. I'm going to pause this while this is signing in, and then I'll jump back in. Okay, I'm back. So you can see that I have 1,000+ photos of my time there. So you can separate it. It's separated by the different times that you've been in and the different locations that you've been, which is nice. But then you can just scroll through, and you can see that in just this one shot, this guy just went, and he just kept taking photos, thought the kids were cute, thought, you know, whatever. So all of those photos, and with all those photos, you're going to have at least one good one, right? Where a kid's not hitting the other one and you're smiling. So there are different stops too. So this is the castle. So you can see that this is a different location, a distance than this one. And then that's it. So this was an interactive thing that we did. Now we did get all of the photos of the entire group of people that were there, but there's Lily getting to be Chip when she got to meet Belle. And so there's a meet and greet, so when you go in to meet a character, you can see them. That's on the actual ride, but super cute photos. Like, look how cute that is, Justin holding on to Lily. So things like that that I wouldn't get to see. I wouldn't get to see how they were riding because I wasn't on the ride with them. You can stop, boom, we saw somebody with a vest. We said, hey, will you take our photo? And they said, absolutely. So it's super cute, super fun. They do a good job of getting the whole interaction. Let me see if there's in the rain, they're still out there. The Beast. The Beast you can only meet if you go to have a meal in the Beast Castle. If you go to do the Bippity Boppity Boutique, they're there, which is super cute. The poses, not so much. We're just not exactly a posy family. Not ideal. Okay, so here, they got us coming in to come see Mickey. So there's the entrance. You know, obviously we weren't really ready for it. But boom, they have the whole interaction, which is so nice because you can see the anticipation. You can see it actually coming to fruition. You can see her there. We're not a family that typically poses with the actual character, but Mickey used to talk. And this was the last time that we knew we would be able to see him talking, so we wanted to get a picture of that. He now is saving his voice for a very big performance, and he does not talk when you see him. That is the Memory Maker, and I would suggest it to people that are going for more than a few days. I would suggest it to people who have kids. I would suggest it to anyone who's not very good at remembering to take photos or maybe taking good ones, and just honestly to make something just a little bit easier that you don't have to worry about because there's a lot going on when you are at Disney. So $169, it's super easy. It's one click to add to your package. As you can see, I do it and I enjoy it. So if you have questions about it, let me know. And if you are going with a party that is larger, so if you have a big family or an extended family or there's a group, if just one of you has it in your party, so say there you guys have 2 rooms because it's 2 different families, if just one of you has it in your party, I'll show you how to link it so you actually can get away with just splitting it and you don't have to have your own. So we can save a little bit of money and multiple people can share it. So I hope that helps on your thoughts about the Memory Maker, and let me know how I can help you plan your trip.